this is me making my peanut butter soup. In this vlog, I have my peanut here. This is like my favorite brand. This one in the Target brand. And BJ's also have nice peanut butter for peanut butter soup if you want to make peanut butter soup. I don't buy the peanut butter from the African store because sometimes they just mix it up with other stuff, and yeah, I want the real stuff. So yeah, guys, I know we love peanut butter soup, palm nut butter soup, and light soup like tomato soup. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing this in my vlog a lot. Right now I'm the tomatoes, onions, peppers, and the little carrots are done. I'm gonna blend them and pour it in the chicken, and then cook my peanuts. I was supposed to cook the peanuts a long time ago, but anyway, so that's what is going on right now. I usually use like 2 chicken, but this time I use 3 because I'm gonna share some. So yep. It's a lot. I'm gonna blend it. Okay, guys, so my soup is done. I'm gonna bake the cornbread. I'm gonna pick my daughter up, and then when I come back, I already mixed the cornbread. So when I come back, then I put the cornbread in the oven. Guys, my cornbread almost burned. Hi guys, I just got off work. On my way to I went to my friend's house to pick up stuff that she brought for me from Ghana. I'll show you when I get home. And right now I'm going to Kenke Hut to buy some kenke. So I'm going to get some kenke right now. I'm in the Bronx right now. I'm going to Kenke Hut, so come with me. So guys, this is Kenke Hut. I love to go to buy my kenke from here because every time they always cook fresh kenke. Oh, okay. For my banku 5k kenke. So guys, I just bought the I went there and they have banku, so yay for me. I don't have to make banku, but I've been lazy to make to cook some banku, so I don't have to make some. So I bought some banku and I bought the kenke, right? So I'm on my way going to catch the train, and I just saw Kennedy chicken. I made some jollof rice for Daniel, but I forgot to I didn't get to make chicken. I'm out of meat, I'm out of protein, so I think I'll just get some Kennedy chicken, maybe like a small amount for them to eat the jollof with, and then I'll bake some chicken later. But just to change it up a little bit, you know. But then I just also remember that I need laundry detergent. I'm out of laundry soap, so I'm gonna pick up like a medium size at the discount store, and then I'll just and finish doing my laundry when I get home. So I'll have 2 more stuff to do. I'm gonna go buy the chicken and buy the soap for my laundry. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Okay guys, so I'm in the discount store. I'm gonna pick up laundry soap for now, just something that I can use for this weekend. When I go to Sam's Club, I'll pick up.
Thank God. To use a little bit, that's it.
People think it's cheap, but
No, no,
that's my favorite.
This is the.
Guys, I am back home. Let me show you all the stuff I got from Ghana. My friend gave me. I was supposed to pick it up, but I didn't get a chance. She kept calling me. But yeah. So guys, this is the laundry soap I bought, and I bought a dough for my daughter. Bubbles. This is a good soap. This is a good laundry soap. The lady was telling me about this, and I already know I like using this. Chicken is so good. Guys, the kinky is fresh and soft. This is the Bangkok. This is the kinky. Nice and fresh. This is $2 and that's $2. I'm set for a whole month.